Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you VisiUltra Eye Drops review. So if you've been looking into ways to support your vision, you might have run across the name VisiUltra. Now let's discuss what exactly this product is and what it offers and the general steps of using or adding this to your routine. So first, what is VisiUltra? Now, despite the name drops occasionally popping up online or in search queries here, it is important to clear up a common misconception right away. So VisiUltra is actually an oral dietary eye supplement that comes in capsule form, not a liquid eye drop. Now, it is formulated specifically for adult men and women, aiming to support long-term macular health, enhance visual clarity, and protect their eye from the modern strain of the digital screens and blue light. Now, what does it actually offer? Now, the main features of Visi Ultra is its blend of 14 premium non-GMO nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. When you look directly at the product label as well, the core active ingredients include lutein or zenaxanthin and axtaxin and spirulina, L-carnitine, and essential vitamins and minerals. So, in this case, how do you exactly start using it? Now, the manufacturer or the website itself has made the daily routine for this supplement incredibly simple to follow. Now, the serving or the daily serving here, the standard recommended dosage is 2 capsules per day. Now, how do you take it? Now, you swallow the capsule whole with a full glass of water. Now, the official guidelines emphasize that taking the capsule consistently every single day to allow the key macular nutrients and antioxidants to steadily build up in your system. Now, what about the packaging and pricing here? Now, each bottle of VZ Ultra contains around 60 red capsules, so which gives you a complete 30-day supply when following the regular daily serving size here. Now, typically to get one bottle here or a 30-day supply, each bottle costs around $69. Now, if you are going to buy more bottles, you could save around $10 per bottle, but then again, these are packaged, so you need to buy 3 of those or get the package in order for you to get or avail the discount. So basically 59 times 3 is the total amount that you need to pay. Now they do have the 6 bottle option as well, which brings out it brings it further to $49 per bottle times 6. So that's the total cost. So yeah. So at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to try using it. Just remember to consult your doctor first just to see if it will actually react to certain vitamins or medication that you may be taking as of right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.